Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today in this video, I bring some latest collection of uniquely decorated ideas of spooky Halloween pumpkin painting ideas to make your Halloween decorations more unique and up to the mark for your Halloween decorations. It can be used for different sort of uniquely decorated Halloween spectacular ideas. I hope you will enjoy this video and like these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and enjoy creating them. In this video, I bring some unique creative collection of Halloween decorations that people will love to create these sort of uniquely decorated ideas for their Halloween decorations. These are some different and unique ideas. You can write different quotes relating to some Halloween decoration ideas, or you can also use some vibrant or attractive color combinative ideas and write different things on it, like you have seen in this video, to make your decorative arrangements more beautifully or matched up with some Halloween theme. You can also create some ghost decoration ideas like you have seen in this video, or you can paint these pumpkins into different lighter or darker shades according to your own requirements and theme idea you want to choose for your Halloween decorations. Viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video and like these ideas to definitely create it on this Halloween. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in it and work on all your requests. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like these ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and it also encourages me to bring some latest and creative ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you will really like these ideas to create this Halloween. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.